In the early 2000s, the American auto industry looked untouchable. Gasoline trucks dominated the roads. Electric cars were considered unrealistic. Legacy automakers controlled everything. Then came a startup, small, underfunded, and widely doubted. That company was Tesla. Today, Tesla is one of the most valuable automakers in the world. So how did it disrupt an industry that had existed for over 100 years? Let's break it down. The industry before Tesla. Before Tesla became a household name, electric vehicles were not taken seriously. General Motors had the EV1 in the 1990s. It failed. Most major automakers focused on bigger trucks, more powerful SUVs, incremental improvements to gasoline engines. Battery technology was expensive, range was limited, charging infrastructure barely existed. The consensus was simple: EVs were not ready and not profitable. Tesla's early strategy. Tesla did something different. Instead of starting with an affordable EV, it launched a high-end sports car, the Tesla Roadster. Expensive, limited production, but fast, very fast. For the first time, an electric car was exciting, not slow, not compromised. Then came the real turning point, the Model S. Long range, over-the-air software updates, minimalist interior design. Tesla didn't just build a car, it built a tech product on wheels, and that changed consumer expectations. Direct-to-consumer sales. Traditional automakers rely on dealerships. Tesla avoided them. Instead, it sold directly to customers. Online ordering, fixed pricing, no negotiation. This model created tension with dealership associations across the US, but it also simplified the buying experience. It felt modern, more like buying an iPhone than buying a car. That shift forced the industry to rethink customer experience. Software-first approach. Tesla treated vehicles as software platforms. Over-the-air updates could improve performance, add features, fix bugs. Legacy automakers struggled with this. Their vehicles were built around hardware cycles. Tesla built around software cycles. That meant faster innovation, more flexibility, and continuous improvement after purchase. Today, nearly every major automaker is investing heavily in software integration. Tesla set that expectation. The Gigafactory model. Battery production was the biggest obstacle to EV adoption, so Tesla built massive factories, Gigafactories. Vertical integration became a core strategy. Instead of relying entirely on suppliers, Tesla brought more production in-house. This helped reduce costs over time and increase control over supply chains. Legacy automakers began investing billions into battery plants of their own. The scale of manufacturing became a competitive battlefield. The stock market effect. Tesla's valuation shocked the industry. At one point, it was worth more than several traditional automakers combined. This sent a message. Investors believed EVs were the future. Capital began flowing toward electrification. Suddenly, every major automaker announced EV strategies. Ford invested heavily in electric trucks. GM committed to an all-electric future. Tesla didn't just change products, it changed investor psychology. Forcing legacy automakers to move. For years, EV programs were compliance projects. After Tesla's success, they became survival strategies. The launch of the F-150 Lightning showed that even America's best-selling truck was going electric. GM accelerated Ultium battery development. The competitive landscape shifted. Tesla proved there was demand, and once demand was visible, the industry had to respond. Infrastructure and charging influence. Another key disruption was charging. Tesla built its own Supercharger network, reliable, integrated, strategically placed. Eventually, many automakers adopted Tesla's charging standard. This gave Tesla influence beyond just vehicle production. It shaped national charging infrastructure. Final analysis. So how did Tesla disrupt the American auto industry? It didn't just build electric cars, it changed how cars are sold, how cars are updated, how factories are built, how investors think, how competitors plan for the future. Disruption rarely happens overnight, but Tesla accelerated a shift that might have taken decades. Today, electrification is no longer optional, it's central to the industry's future. Whether Tesla remains dominant long-term is still an open question, but its impact on the American auto industry is undeniable. Now, I want to hear from you. Did Tesla truly disrupt the industry, or did it simply accelerate an inevitable transition? Let's discuss in the comments. And subscribe for more in-depth automotive analysis. See you in the next video.